Police in China have detained several people protesting against the coronavirus lockdowns implemented by the authorities. In a rare challenge, demonstrations took place across many cities in China. The protests intensified after 10 people died in a building fire in Urumqi, the capital of the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, which had been under lockdown for about 100 days. Protesters say that stringent COVID-19 measures hindered their escape and rescue, a claim the government rejects.
乌鲁木齐市政府已经召开有关的记者会，阐明了事实真相，驳斥了有关的造谣和抹黑。
China is battling a resurgence of infections in several cities. Recently, the number of daily cases reportedly rose to 40,052, surpassing the previous peak of more than 25,000 cases in April. Beijing has stuck with its zero-COVID policy, calling it life-saving, even as much of the world has lifted most restrictions. The demonstrations have also negatively impacted the country's economy, with investors concerned about the management of China's zero-COVID policy. Chinese stock markets were on the decline, and oil prices went down almost $2 per barrel. Earlier, authorities had sought to make the restrictions more targeted, prompting speculation that the country would soon be moving towards full reopening. But with the resurgence in cases, the lifting of lockdowns looks unlikely.